Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best shower speakers that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Bose Soundlink Micro. Spend even an hour with the Bose Soundlink Micro and you quickly find out why it is our editor's choice. This simple yet powerful speaker is the perfect device if you are adventurous. Whether you are going to the beach, backyard or even camping, you will find a companion with this Bose Micro speaker. It is also available in different colors to match your preferences. One of the first things that you notice about this speaker is its crisp yet balanced sound. It also has a surprisingly large bass for a speaker its size. This means that the Bluetooth speaker can come in handy outdoors when going to the beach or hiking. Alternatively, you can use it to listen to music when studying or make conference calls. The waterproof rating of the Bose Soundlink Micro makes it a great choice for a shower speaker too. It has a waterproof speaker from the inside out with an impressive IPX7 rating. Moreover, it has a smooth yet rugged exterior that prevents dents or scratches even when it falls. It comes with a tear-resistant strap that allows you to carry it or hang it anywhere. At number 4. JBL Charge 4. JBL is a renowned brand that is popular for its high-quality audio systems. With the previous Charge models being a hit in the market, the company had to go the extra mile with the Charge 4. If you love bass in your music, then you will love the JBL Charge 4. It features dual radiators that not only add some clarity to your sound but also boosts its thump. We love that this Bluetooth shower speaker is portable. It has a cylindrical shape like the other Charge models. It is also lightweight at 2.1 pounds and can easily fit in a tote bag. Since you want to use it in your shower, you should note its waterproof capabilities. The JBL Charge 4 has an IPX7 rating, which not only means that it is fully waterproof but that it is also dustproof. What does this mean? You can dip it in a 1-meter deep pool for about half an hour. The waterproof feature also saves you when it is raining, as it is also rainproof. This JBL bathroom speaker is also easy to use. It has a control panel that houses all buttons that you need to switch on, pair, skip tracks or change the volume. At number 3. Ultimate Ears Wonderboom. The simple, yet elegant, design may make you pass up on this shower speaker, but it packs loads of features. If you want an outdoor Bluetooth speaker, then the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom is your best bet. It features an outdoor boost button that instantly enhances the loudness and clarity of your music once you press it. As you can tell from the design, the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom offers you a 360-degree sound and some extra bass. You can also double it up by connecting 2 Ultimate Ears Wonderboom speakers with a wireless connection. The 10 hours worth of battery life will also entertain you for a long time when on a trip or an adventure. Using this shower speaker is also a breeze, and it is compatible with several audio systems. The speaker has some buttons on it that you can use to control the music without having to access your phone. Moreover, it supports almost all devices with Bluetooth connectivity. At number 2, JBL Clip 3. If you want a truly portable shower speaker, then the JBL Clip 3 is a great choice. It may be difficult to notice all the changes that have been incorporated from its predecessor, JBL Clip 2. This model has a differently designed carabiner with the buttons being tweaked too. You can clip the shower speaker to your backpack, belt or hang it when taking a bath. Unlike the previous model, the JBL Clip 3 has a great design with its carabiner fully integrated in the speaker. The clip surrounds the whole speaker with both the carabiner and casing all color coordinated. Even the playback buttons of this shower speaker, which are not accessible from the front, have a similar color to the casing. For AUX lovers, this Bluetooth speaker has a 3.5mm port that is now found behind the water-sealed flap. Next to the AUX port is a USB connection port that you will use when charging the 1000 mAh battery. The battery can survive up to 10 hours of playback, but it takes about 3 hours to get fully charged. At number 1, Basepal F013 Pro. The Basepal F013 Pro is a great companion if you are looking for an affordable shower Bluetooth speaker that does not compromise on performance. This is a loud stereo speaker that you can use on the beach, at home, at a party, or even when on an adventure. What's more, you can listen to radio on this device when it is on FM radio mode. The Basepal F013 Pro has an LED display on its front side. This display is multifunctional as it shows the time and the battery status of the speaker. When it is in FM radio mode, you can use the LED display to select the radio station or adjust the volume. The display makes the Bluetooth shower speaker convenient and easy to use. Sound quality and loudness of the Basepal F013 Pro is quite impressive for its size and price too. You can also get 2 of these speakers if you want to enjoy the TWS 3D stereo sound. This technology allows you to connect 2 speakers through Bluetooth to enjoy a 360-degree surround sound with little to no distortions. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.